LEMATEC offers a full range of digital gauge series regulators, compatible with various pneumatic tools, your reliable partner for pressure stability and tool longevity. This video guides you through setting up the digital pressure gauge. Before using the digital gauge, please remember to take off the protective plastic membrane. This gauge has 3 setting modes: covering 0 calibration, auto shutoff, unit selection. How to access the resettings modes. Press the button to turn on the gauge. Then press and hold the button for a few seconds, until the screen shown in the video appears to enter the settings mode. Press the button again to select a mode. Function 0. Resetting the gauge to 0 mode. Ensure the gauge is without any air pressure when resting the gauge to 0. Function 1. Automatic shutoff time setting mode. You can set the automatic shutoff time to 30s, 60s, 120s, 180s, or disable the auto shutoff function. If you want to make the screen keep open, please select Off. To set a different auto shutoff time, press the button to select your preferred duration. Once END appears on the screen, the setting is complete. Function 2. Pressure unit selections mode. There are 4 pressure display units: PSI, bar, kg/cm superscript 2, and kPa. Select your preferred unit to complete the setting. If this screen appears, it means the setting was not completed. Please repeat the setup process. The battery cover requires no screws, allowing quick replacement. Use the tool to assist with removal. This gauge uses a CR3032 battery.